Cocoa. The cocoa bean is the dried and fully fermented seed of the Theobroma cacao trees from which cocoa solids, a mixture of non-fat substances, and cocoa butter, the fat, can be extracted. Cocoa beans are the basis of chocolate. We produce 5 amazing videos per week, so please click on the like button and subscribe to see future videos. Like, comment, share, subscribe. We make hot cocoa with cocoa powder, heated milk or water, and sugar. However, Americans often use hot chocolate and hot cocoa interchangeably, sometimes causing a bit of confusion. There is a difference between the two beverages. We make hot chocolate by using ground chocolate containing cocoa butter. We mix it with hot milk, and it is drinking chocolate. Can cacao cause addiction? Of course. A delicious psychological addiction triggered by the alkaloids it contains, which are also responsible for the bitter base flavor of the beans. In particular, theobromine is a euphorant, and to a lesser degree, caffeine is a stimulant. Cocoa butter is the fattiest part of the bean. It's the white outside border inside an individual cocoa bean. It is extracted through pressing and exposure to high temperatures. Cocoa. This is the word that refers to the cacao once it has been heated. It generally refers to the powdered form, which has usually been exposed to higher temperatures than cacao powder. In today's language, it's also used as a synonym for cacao. According to the International Labor Rights Forum, more than 200,000 children between the ages of 5 and 15 work on the African cacao plantations in conditions that threaten their health. The documentary, The Dark Side of Chocolate, revealed the child trafficking and slave labor involved in the production of cacao. That bag looks awfully heavy for such a little guy. Cacao trees grow at the equator. Nearly all cacao trees grow within 20 degrees of the equator, and 75% of those grow within 8 degrees. Fermentation of the cacao beans is the process that occurs before drying and varies depending on the type of cacao desired. It is crucial to achieve high-quality chocolate. The cacao tree, a small evergreen, is Theobroma cacao, a name that derives from the Greek theos, gods, and broma, food, the food of the gods. Harmattan. This is the hot wind that blows down from the Sahara toward eastern Africa, where the world's two largest producers of cacao are located, Ivory Coast and Ghana. From December to March, when it blows too hard, it can destroy the small cocoa pods, compromising the harvest. Indonesia is the world's third largest producer of cacao, but many of its growers have never tasted chocolate. The seeds are usually exported before fermentation for use in industry like cosmetics. Cacao is categorized into three main categories: Criollo, very valuable, fragrant, and delicate. Forastero, the most common and most bitter. And Trinitario, a hybrid of the first two with lightly fruity aroma. The ninth emperor of the Aztec, Montezuma II, was called the King of Chocolate. One of the richest men on the planet, he had stores of nearly 1 billion cocoa beans. Legend has it that, mistaking him for a god, he welcomed Spanish explorer Hernando Cortez with a banquet and cups of chocolate. Nibs. These are nature's chocolate chips to be enjoyed in tiny bites as a snack or in gourmet preparations in food and pastry. Small pieces of cocoa beans, definitely not sweet, are fermented and dried and eaten raw or toasted. Cacao's antioxidant power is one of the very highest. Considered a superfood thanks to many wholesome qualities, it can help protect against cell aging, tumors, and even some diseases like Alzheimer's.